Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on this beautiful 2016 M5. How the system works is if someone was to clone the key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. They won't be able to start it. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he can actually disarm it in two ways. He can go through a push sequence, which is what we've done on the steering wheel, or with a smartphone app, which is very clever. So I'm going to just show you the push sequence firstly. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, receive a melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to change the push sequence, this is also straightforward. And the way you do that is ignition on, go through your push sequence, you'll get a melody as a disarm. Then you'll push one of these buttons 5 times, ignition off, ignition on, get 5 bleeps, and then go through a push sequence procedure, which I'll show you now. So ignition on, push sequence, get your melody, and then hit one of these buttons 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ignition off, ignition on, get your 5 bleeps, and then decide your push sequence. So I'm going to do something basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a melody. Repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your melody. Code is now learned. So ignition off. Wait a few seconds for it to activate again. So ignition on, new push sequence, system disarm, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also on this you have an app, so rather than actually go through a push sequence, you can actually use the app. So we're going to show you that now. So now here we have the app, just here, Starline key. If you select it, at the moment the Bluetooth is off, so if we enable the Bluetooth, so now if we go to settings and turn Bluetooth on, Bluetooth is on, Starline i96 selected, go back to the app. So here's the app. Got a green band around the outside it, that means it's enabled. So all we do now, as long as Bluetooth is on, just turn the ignition on, get your melody and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Finally, when you want to take the car for a service or a car wash, you obviously don't want to give them the phone or the code. You can place it into Valet Mode. And the way you do that is push and hold this till it goes amber. Then release. You'll get 2 bleeps. That's now in Valet Mode. So no phone, no push sequence. Don't have to disclose that. When you get it back, take it out of Valet Mode, push and hold this till it goes green. Get 2 bleeps. That's now out of Valet Mode. So obviously now we can use it and start the vehicle. There you go, get your melody, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Hope you found this video helpful. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.